say mommy? Are you stuck? Yes. Do you need help? Can you say help? There's help. Here. Oh, your hands are still super sticky. Ready? Up, down. Bonk. You okay? No, stay out of the chair. Come on, let's go upstairs. Lillian. Where's Daddy? Right there? No. Right, I'm going to clean you up a bit more because you are still super sticky. Can you say bye-bye?